They have really combined a bunch of tunnels in this Fulton Street. Ah! 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 Hello everybody, it's me again. I am sorry that I've been gone for so long yet again, but I'm back here at the very first park in New York City with another Where To Now. Today's suggestion, John Bradford says, maybe I should take the 4 train to Brooklyn Bridge City Hall, then the J to Fulton, and the 3 to Wall Street. That's a great idea. I want to go to Wall Street. I want to go buy some stocks and low and sell some stocks high. Anyway, it's a short trip, so let's just sort of explore this very first park a little bit. Didn't do that before. In memory of all the children stolen, you can freeze frame that if you want to read the whole thing. Oh no. Well, that's a nice little memory. And there's the, let's get up high so we can see this. There's freeze frame that for the history of Bowling Green, the first public park in New York City. And a fountain that doesn't work, even though it's summertime already. Oh well. Let's see. Hello, Pidgey. I guess we'll go on. Maybe if these... There we go. Come on. Scooch on through. Scooch. All right, let's go to the elevator. We got time to kill. Down. That's where we're going. Down. Did that light up? It's not lit up. Down. I want to go down to the mezzanine. It's not working. Ah, okay. It's completely off. Yes, this is a broken elevator at Bowling Green. Nope. Just trying to get the sunlight out, see if the light was actually on, and it's not. And that's in a broken elevator. There's the National Museum of the American Indian, which is weird that they still use that terminology, but who am I to judge? Entry 4, 5. Yep. Taking the 4, not the 5. Cool. Slide it on through. First try. All right. So wait for the 4 train. 5 is 4 minutes away. 4 is 6 minutes away. Okay, cool. We pretty much explored this station pretty well. What? I don't know what she said, but there. Oh, that's right. There's a little police box here. All transit authority personnel must show proper ID. Police Department, City of New York. And there's the 5 that were not taken. So like I said, we have pretty much explored this station pretty well in, the hidden platforms or the secret Subway Secrets Part 2. So just kind of chill here. Get this thing out of here and wait for... Oh, it goes to Wall Street next. We could just go on straight to Wall Street and skip all the rest, but that's not how this works. There's the 4. All right, cool. Here we go. 4 train, first train today.
This is a Bronx-bound 4 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
I was gonna go sit up there, but they shifted to the front. So I'll just sort of chill here in the middle of the car. Let's see. We're not going all the way to Woodlawn, although I have not been to the end of the 4 train. I said that before. I think we'll go... I think... Wait a minute. Why is... Oh, okay, I see. There it is. There. Okay, so we're going to Brooklyn Bridge City Hall.
Wall Street.
No, we're going to Fulton Street. No, we're going to Brooklyn Bridge City Hall. Then to Fulton Street.
The next stop is Fulton Street.
Cool. I am standing clear. I like taking the J train. I rarely get the chance to take the J. I hope we get an R179.
This is Fulton Street.
Transfer is available to 2, 3, A, C, and J train.
Yep, the J train. Wait a minute.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform.
Okay, elevator's at the front of... Maybe we should take an elevator again.
This is a Bronx.
Next chance to get to take an elevator, I'll do that. Because we didn't get to take the elevator at Bowling Green. Because, like so many MTA elevators, it was out of order. All that pee inside the elevator short circuits it, I guess. It's not that bad, really. All right, here we are.
6 and
J train. That's right.
This is an
Oh, it's an accessible station.
The elevator is at the rear of the
The
platform.
rear of the platform. I think we're at the rear of the train, aren't we? So the elevator should be here somewhere. Here? Nope. Is it over there? No. I'm curious what's over there, but I will follow the directions of the sign and do not enter. There's the elevator. Okay. Does this guy work? Does this elevator work? Is it? There we go. Okay, come on, up, up, up. Gimme. Oh, good. It's already here. That's why the light didn't come on. Yay! All right. Yay, an elevator that works, and you guys can't smell it, but it doesn't smell too bad. It's fairly clean. You know, they replaced the lights, it seems like, so it looks nice in here. This door's staying open a while. You know what? It just closed. Close the door. Just close it. There we go. There went a 6 train that used to be a 7 train. See, my favorite 6 trains are the ones with the 7 train color on the outside under the numbers. Okay, municipal building, courthouse. I think this is. Yeah, this should be both ways, right? I don't see any specifics. Yeah, the ramp. Let's just take the ramp. I don't see any specifics that says one side is Brooklyn and one side is 8th Avenue. Not 8th. Broad Street. I was thinking the L train. All right, Jay-Z. Yeah, that's fine. Let's go. Down again. Hey, that's a bright light that's working. Let's see. Yep, here it comes. Cool. Get it on up here. M. We're on the mezzanine, and we're going down to the. We're on the M, going down to the P. We're going down to P. That's what the elevator says. It's no wonder it smells so bad in here all the time. All these elevators. It's like it's got an arrow pointing down and telling you to pee. Pee here. Oh, this is Jay. Come on, yay! 179. Yay! Well, people on the train, but what are you gonna do? It's middle of the day. Next stop is Fulton. Only one stop. All right, cool. Wow, it really just closed as soon as we got in. Right on. The elevator almost made us miss it, but it was cool. We did it. We didn't miss. So somewhere in that blurry mess says we're gonna stop here soon. Next stop. What? Wait a minute. What? Why is the conductor making an announcement? Weird. Broad Street J. Oh, right. That's right. We got to go under the J train to go back to the 3. There you go. So 3 train. That's good. Let's do some escalator fun. Here we go. And zero. Okay. Escalator fun is done. Man, I tell you, they have really combined a bunch of tunnels in this Fulton Street. Ah! No! Well, that's okay. I caught the J train pretty fast, like right on. The J train waited. I guess I could have run a little faster. 8 minutes. Now we gotta wait 8 minutes for the next 3. Could have run a little faster and caught that, but yeah. Instead, doggo. Instead, let's do some exploring. There's the air purifier, or not purifier. It's probably the air testing, air quality monitor robot. It looks like a robot. Fairly clean tracks. Say this every time, but I'm not sure if you guys remember how horribly dirty the tracks used to be. Not anymore. All right, well, there's the 2 going the wrong way. We're gonna take Fulton 3 to Wall Street. You know, I don't think I've ever ended an episode at Wall Street before, have I? I don't think I've ever done that. I might have shown Wall Street before I entered the J at Broad Street, but I don't think I've ever taken a 2 or 3 or 4 or whatever, or 5 to Wall Street. So this will be fun. We'll go up and we'll explore a new station exit entrance area. Just see what happens. Normally, I try to stay away from Wall Street because it's so busy, but that's just not the case anymore, is it? Just not the case. Here we go, Wall Street. Not busy. Only a few people, middle of the day. Look at that. Look at that empty station. What is this? Okay. R112A station. Huh. Well, I definitely haven't been here before. Marketplace 28. All right. Big empty marketplace. Wow. Talk about empty. I guess we should go out and see what's out here. You know what? I kind of... Faux Sun Plaza, please wear cloth face covering. Kind of want to go in and see what this is all about. I've never been here before, and that's a... Wow, this place is huge. Huge and empty. No stores or anything. You like do some serious skateboard grinding and like not grinding, but you could. It feels like you could like this is like a roller rink. It's so big. There's a nice integrated design wall clock there. Pretty cool. All right, now open. That's the Chase Bank. Can't go down that escalator. Oh, what? Oh, dude's talking. Okay, sorry. Dude was talking to me, told me I can't record, so I'm not trying to break any rules or anything. I left and to stop the camera, put it away. Oh, that's why it's empty. It's coming soon. I see. It's not a thing that's a thing yet. It's a thing that's gonna be a thing, but it's not a thing. So, all right. Well, I guess we'll go check out this park with the funny sculptures. Yeah. Those things that are there on purpose. All right. I was trying to find some sort of installation explanation, like who made this art installation. It's kind of cool, but I guess not. All right, maybe I'll have to go. Maybe I'll go online at some point. What is this? Checkpoint for the Federal Reserve Police. Ooh, wow, that's big time. Like national police. Whew. Oh, okay. This is Lewis Nevelson Plaza. By order of the blah 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 is not allowed. Not allowed. Not allowed. Not allowed. Of course. Life Center Church NYC. Well, okay. Well, I guess we're here at Lewis Nevelson Plaza. Where do I go from here? You tell me. All right, well, that was a fun little trip. Let's keep them short and keep them from here. And let's go. What are your suggestions? Where to now? From Wall Street, Lewis Nevelson Plaza. Yes, no, I'm not going to the stock exchange. I'm not going to go buy any stocks and sell stuff.